Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix eBay seller login issues, verification and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct eBay site for your region and that the page URL starts with https://signin. eBay.com. Close all browser tabs, reopen the browser, and try signing in again to remove temporary session conflicts. Double-check your email or username and password, and make sure caps lock is off before typing. If you cannot remember the password, click Forgot Password and complete the reset using the email or phone on the account. Check your email inbox and spam folder for eBay security messages. Then open the latest one and follow the verification link. If you receive a verification code by SMS, wait for the full message to arrive and enter the code exactly as shown. If codes are not arriving, confirm your phone number is correct in your eBay account settings and request the code again. Turn off any VPN or proxy, because eBay may block logins that look unusual for your account location. Try a different network, such as switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, to rule out IP or router blocks. Clear your browser cache and cookies for eBay.com. Then restart the browser and attempt login again. Open an incognito or private window and try signing in to bypass extension and cookie issues. Disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, script blockers, and password managers. Then retry login. Update your browser to the latest version to avoid security compatibility errors on the sign-in page. If the problem continues, try another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to isolate browser-specific issues. If you use the eBay app, update the app and then force close it and reopen it before trying again. Restart your phone or computer to refresh background services that can interfere with authentication. Check the date and time settings on your device and set them to automatic, because wrong time can break verification. If you see, we couldn't confirm it's you, complete any identity prompts and avoid repeated rapid login attempts. Wait 15 to 30 minutes after multiple failed attempts, because eBay may temporarily lock access for security. Verify that your account email address is accessible, and if you lost access, recover the email account first. If you have two-step verification, make sure your Authenticator app is synced and use backup codes if available. If you changed your phone recently, update your security contact details after you regain access. Go to Seller Hub only after a successful sign-in, and avoid using old bookmarks that may redirect incorrectly. If you get an access denied or pardon our interruption page, complete the CAPTCHA and then reload once. Check eBay's system status page or official social channels to see if there is an ongoing outage affecting logins. Contact eBay customer service through the help page and request account verification support if you are still blocked. Prepare your account details, recent order info, and device information to speed up verification with support. After access is restored, enable stronger security settings and review recent login activity for anything suspicious. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.